Hello guys, for today's video, we're going to make a pattern for this cute top.
Butang tag measurements. Kani dili naman ni siya importante dili. Butang na nag 3. 3. Butang na to 15 butang na to 14 and a half ang iyahang shoulder width. 14 and a half. So, na siya. Then, diri sa shoulder 3 cm. Tulan ko ni butangan diri para ma-straight. 3 cm. Ipas na. 3 cm. Then the shoulder width ato sa nigi straight down ang linya. And then sa atong bust is 33, so divided by 4 is equal to 8 and 1/4. Atong bust is 8 and 1/4. Atong suplanan na diri kas tumoy 8 and 1/4. So man is 8 and 1/4. 8 and 1/4. Ano akong bust? Yeah, then you wait na po. 8 and 1/4. Why? There day. 8 and 1/4. Correct ba yun? There day. So mani 8 and 1/4. Magbuhat sa tag foundation ha. Body's length. So body's length is 15 point. Ito sa body's length 15.8 ang gigamit. 15.8. 15.8 sa body's length. Dire. Plus 3 cm. 3 cm here. Para ni sa front. Then sa atong apex distance, magbutang taog 10 akong gigamit. 10 cm sa apex. Apex, this is apex height and this is apex distance 3.5. Ang na to be. Gamit ang 10 inches may akong gamit nga langga. 10 na. Then linyahan. So there is sad 3.5 and 0.5 each side. Sa atong waistline, may waistline ani sa waist sa medium is putang na tuog 27.5 divided by 4 28 20 27.5 28 na lamang ana plus 1 here na. So sa atong armhole 33 divided by 4 minus 1.5 equals 6.75. From here 6.75 butang natong 7 or 75 na 6.75. And then mo na siyang divide get the center na itong sa tagline diri 6.75. Claro ba line? So this is the center now. Yeah. Pero di ay. Era. Kaya ito na ning linyahan og sakto be. So we have to draw a line here. Okay, no, don't mention it. Line. And then, what is yung ating apex height? We have to connect this line here Ano dyan itong topic side na connect sa dart. Connect also this one. Wala kang waistline. Make it 27 na lamang. 28 instead of 28, make it 27. So minus 1/4. Ano? 1/4. And then 2 cm. 2 cm here. Na. Era. So this one, the shoulder width. Shoulder width ni ha, i-connect ni si dyan. Yes. Ito lang siya i-connect. This one here. Ako na siguro giyahan ko ano. Sensya na. Basta kayo connect na si dyan diha. Okay. So next na ta. Okay. Next, mag-measure na dali o 8 cm. 8 cm po na dali. Ano mag-gano'n siya naman siya straight ko eh. 8 cm na dali. Okay. Nakalita dart ay sa kiliran. Kiliran dart. Tantag dart is 3 cm and 1.5 asa naman ni na. And you have to connect also ang dart. This one also. Na. Na. So next. So na may next. Epa. Tangalan na to, for example, ano siya. So, okay, magbuhat na ta. So, we need to get the center of the shoulder. Get the center. Na. Ang center. Come on, mag-draw kag line from this point to this point. Na. Then, irisan sa ubos. Irisan na point. Mag-draw. Ayun na lang. No need. All you have to do is to straight the line. Make a straight line. From here to here. You need to make a straight line. Ganyan na. Yes, ganyan. Kinahanglan same measurement naman sa 10 cm. So 10 cm po na dili. Na. And then draw a line here, connected here. Yes, buhay pa. Naku, patay na. Na. And also this part. Na. So, muna na siya. Okay, so we need to get the neckline. Here. You need to add 2 cm. Or make it, mag-draw na lang, mag-measure lang kag 8 cm padong ibabaw. 8 cm. 8 cm from this point to this point. And draw a line. Is it 8 cm? Yeah. See? Pwede na to, so from this point, magkuha ka og 2 cm to the left. 2 cm to the left. And draw sa tagline to your armhole. And you have to, but before making a dart on the armhole, Hold on. Okay, let's continue. So, hold on. So this armhole will go down by 2 cm. O pwede rin 1 cm. 2 cm na lang. Sige, 2 cm here. Mani. And then you need to shape this part here para sa imuhang neckline. You need to shape that. Na, shape. To this point. Ana. Need to draw a curve para mo shape this idya. Ana, draw a curve here. Ana. Then, curve. Yeah. So, from this point, you will measure 1 inch. Ana. No, not 1 inch. 1 centimeter for your armhole dart. Armhole dart, yeah. Ano na should I? Ano na siya? This one also. You need to use this hip curve, French curve. Hip curve or French curve? French curve. Hip curve. And shape. Na shape na siya. See? Is it visible? Yes. Okay, we need to have it clear. Ana. Paki-shape na siya, day. Need best. Hold on. I'm going to use this. Kilala mo siya. Li Xiaopeng. Okay. Have to shape this one. Ana. So, what else? Ano na siya? Do you think? Okay, so we need to cut now. Cut the part. And also we need to cut the back. Wait a minute. Is there something missing? Yes, the lower part. But, sige, ito sa shape of lower part. Sa lower part, if you like this corset style, you can blend this. Okay, let's do this corset style. Here's a 10, but it's very short. Let's make it there is somebody that fits ubos. 14 and a half. So yeah, make it 14 and a half. And then 18 daw. 18. 18.8. Hold on. What's ang gitarong, ha? No. Let's make it claro. 18.8. O, 19. 19.8. So, muna akong gibuhat. This is what I do. Here, I added 2 inches. Make it 2 inches. Yes, 2 inches. And here, we measure 14.5. And then you need to shape this one. Yeah, shape. Shape like it's a corset. Na. Shape. Walang na, taas man kayo. But if you don't like this style, corset style, you can make it straight here. You can have this other design on the bottom. like straight. You just need to cut 2 cm here, 2 cm, this one, that one. So you have to less this front, kuhaig 2 cm para sa laing nga design, dili nga nga design, not this design but the other one. Okay? Okay. Saan naman ni Ron? Hold on. Ano eh? Let's cut. I need to cut also the back. But I want you to know. We need this part here, this one, para sa para ni siya sa length sa mani shoulder strap. So measure 6.6 and 1/4, 6 and 1/4, 6.25. And also the back. But hindi na lang. 6 and 1/4. Hold on. Cut. Dito. I'm curious about the back. So this is the back. Okay, we need to draw a line for the back. So, dili na lang sa back. Dili. Okay, we need to cut this for the back. Hold on. I don't want to ruin my pattern. So, where's the back? So, ang kapatid ko, yeah, this is the back part here. Need to make a line first. Na siya back. Need, aroy. Baho sirong binungag. Okay, so you already have our back. Okay. Not yet finished. Hold on. I need to mark the line here. Ang pagkakataon. Finish first the front. Cut this part here. Na, since we're going to shape this one, so ayaw sa nigtanduga. Not cut that. We have to close the dart, the side dart, and the bust. This is the waistline dart. Kanisad mo yung dart sa neckline. Ano na siya? Grisad. This one here also, and this one. We need to close all that part. Na. Believe it. Da, 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 da. Isa. Kulang pa. Then close this part here. Isa diha. Na. 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 You tape it. And then this one also. Close this part here. Hindi naman nga na. And this one also. Alam mo shake ko ano eh. Kaya mo siyang i-shake. Hold on. Wait ha. Before you cut this center, adjust on sa nimo, ana. You need to adjust first before cutting this part. Just at the dibe. Reshape sa. Reshape. Okay, mawagtang naman yung shape, ana. Na reshape this part here. And this one. Wala. Wala na kinahanglan. And cut this part also. Na. So kanay dili siya kayo pointed. Ayaw siya. Ayaw siya pointed. Ring apart. Na. And then shape na. Na cut here. This one here also. See? Ano pa? Ano? Later na. And this one, mamani. And the dart. This. Mana. Let's decide. Na. So karon, you need to decide whether kung imong gustong design is corset or you can make it straight. As I have said earlier, pwede inaana ra straight ra or corset or nani corset or straight. If you want design, gusto mo design na straight ra, kaya ni 2 cm here and also the back. But if you like this corset style, i-shape lang yun mo. You just have to shape it if you want this design. See? Nautro na siya, diba? So you need to cut that first before reshaping, shaping the design. Oh, diba? Kung taas ra, kuha So mo na siya. Ano siya? So this is the front. So let's proceed to back. Later, ito na siyang i-attach. I-connect. And we need to get the center on the waistline. We need to get the center for the dart. So this is the center now, and measure 1/2 inch on the right and 1/2 inch on the left. And also, this line here, this line is on the armhole line. Muna siya armhole, siya dire. And then you also need to get the center. And then, draw a line. Connect this two dot here, this two small line here, and siya. Muna siya. And then, here, kuhain mo siya og mga 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5 also here. 0.5 cm or 5 mm. And then draw a line connecting to the line up. Ana siya. Na. So this is the back, okay? And then, kani siya nga point here. This is the, let me see. One is just an armhole sa front. Ano ganyan One is dyan This here. And, ato na siyang i-shape. Shape ni nato. Hip curve. Yeah, using the hip curve. Ana. Shape na siya, ana. Great shape. Pwede na ba, ana? Kaya akong nakuha dito. Kaya akong gikuha. See, from this line, you measure 2 cm like on the front. Ana, 2 cm. And this one here, Lamani. I cannot. 3 cm. Yeah. 3 cm on the center front to shape the front. See? Hold on. This is the right way to get the shape. Hindi naman naglana po. Nothing special. Cut. May show. Grabe pa niyo. Half, 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 half. The other day. Eh, sa akin na sobraan man. Okay. Hold on. Fang, da da dee da, da dee da. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Ano dyan? Ano ka? Tay tani ron. So, ano niyang back? CB, center back. 1, 2. Let's connect. Let's connect these two. Do-do-do, do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. Ba, ano ka? Uy, labi na. La, la. See? Ano siya itong back part. Hold on ha, ito siyang tiwason. Still alive in there? Diba? La, la. It's not yet finished. Still need the sleeve. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Wow. Da-da. La la la. Wala no? Yes, I'm still connecting this too. Pagkahasol ba di ay? Na. What? No. Da-da-da-da. Da-dee-da-da-da. Sakay mo na na si Jack. Sola. So this is the back part and this is the front part. What happened to you? See? And the sleeve. Hold on. Maghimo ta og dako nga rectangle. Rectangle. You need to draw a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is the the length of the, katoy mo gusto ko ganiha ba? This one. Yung 6.5 sa front niya, katong gikat na front, 6.5, and also on the back, 6.5 plus 2 cm sa back.
For the shoulder strap or the sleeve, we have to measure 16 inches long. It's not 14. I make it 16. And then 7 inches width. Yeah, this is just a rectangle, a long rectangle. And then you have to cut it. And then you have to gather when you sew, if you sew it.